Alright, so you've been working hard, you've been doing your thing, you've been coding every single day, and today is a special day for you, okay? Especially if you have been following the 365 CodingPhase challenge, and I'm gonna tell you why. Alright guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. Your boy's back and I done did it again. Alright, we are here, we're having fun at the CodingPhase headquarters, okay? I just wanted to point out that, hey guys, you just passed the 100-day mark. You know how some people, they go online and be like, oh, 100 days of code? Nah, we don't do 100 days of code around here, kid. We do 365, 24/7. All day, every day, coding every single day. I was in the city. Oh, okay, I got hyped. I'm sorry. We just having fun with it, guys. But I'm so happy for you guys because, you know, you guys have passed a mark that a lot of people are usually trying to get to, right? There's a lot of people that say, man, I'm just going to be, you know, a developer and I'm going to try to do this once in a while. I'm going to do this on the weekends. Bro, there is no weekends. This is not a hobby. Right? If you want to become something, you become that. That's it, right? You can't just be like, I'm going to do this on the weekend, okay? I'm going to do this later on. Nah, man. It's about going hard and just becoming what you want to become, okay? You want to become a developer, you have to do this every day, okay? This is like going to the gym, man. I always bring this to the gym. It's like, literally, if you want to lose weight, you have to go to the gym every single day, right? And eat healthy, of course, right? But at the same time, you can't be out here thinking like, hey, I'm gonna go and work out once a week and I'm gonna lose weight like that and I'm gonna be in shape. It's not gonna happen, okay? Right? The guys that go, you know, to the Olympics, they don't be like, I'm gonna do this once a week. Nah, bro, they're trying to get to the Olympics. They do this every single day for years, okay? So this is one of the reasons why I wanted to make sure we did 365, right? I've been doing this since, I don't know when, right? Since like 2011, 2012. I've been going hard every single day. Every single day I code. 365 every single day, guys. Like, once you get in that mood of like, man, this is what I'm looking forward to, right? Even though you work full-time, even though you might have kids, even though you might have a relationship, whatever you have in your life that is stopping you, once you get in that motion of doing this every single day, coding, preparing some projects, you know, writing down ideas, you know, thinking about, hey man, how can I debug this, right? I've been having some issues. Once you find the answer, is gonna blow your mind, right? But the thing about it is that it's so cool that once you get into that motion, that's it. You're on, kid. And it's hard to turn off. I'm telling you out of experience, bro. Like, I've been coding every single day for a long ass time. Okay? There's days that I probably do, I don't know, 12, 16 hours. I know it's not healthy. Somebody's like, Joe, you're not supposed to do it like that. But I do it like that because I'm always on. Right? Whenever I think I'm done, I'm like, hold on, I got the answers, kid. You know, hold on, I'm coming right back. You know, there's days I wake up like today. Today I woke up, I was like, man, you know, let's knock out this e-commerce. You know, now we're gonna do the React part, right? Let's knock that out. Let's jump into the back end, right? And then right after that, I want to do back to the, you know, the JavaScript games with Phaser, and then from there I want to get back to doing some testing, and like there's so many cool things to do. Like, sky's the limit, right? And then on top of that, for me, it has become a video game where I create an application and see how the application doesn't make any money, and then from there it just starts generating. So it's like the more, I don't know, I guess the more money that I make with you know, single page app or something like a CSS generator or like, let's say a niche website, like my video game now is literally like straight up just seeing how successful that becomes, whatever I do, right? But all of these things comes to the fact that I started coding every single day, you know, years ago, right? Like, it all revolves around that, right? Like, everything around my life revolves around programming and, you know, coding and creating applications, man. Like, once you get into this mood, that's it. Sky's the limit for you guys, right? I want you guys to just keep on working hard, man. You know, it's over 100 days now, right? that's it. We hit the 100 days mark. You know, give yourself a little pat on the shoulder and be like, you know what? You know what? People's over here on Instagram and Twitter talking about 100 days of code. We out here 365 all day, every day, 24/7. We on the block, kid. You know. You know, I gotta bring the hood into this coding thing, man. We just gotta keep it fresh. You know what I mean? It's your boy Joe. I don't know, man. It is what it is, man. This is what I do out here. You know what I mean? I get you amped up. I get you hyped. You know, we get this thing done, right? We make sure that we learn at the same time. We get jobs. We get that bag, because we're not doing this for fun. I mean, it is fun, but I don't know about you guys. I'm not here for fun. I'm here for that bag. You know what I mean? Let's get that bag, you know? I know somebody out there is like, God damn it, Joe, where's the bag? Can somebody give this guy a bag? Yes, give me a bag. I ain't gonna deny it. I ain't gonna be like, nah, man, not today. Give me a bag, but it gotta be full of cash. We having fun, man. I'm just super excited for you guys. I think that this is like a turning point for you, you know, and I just want you guys to continue going, all right? Like I said, October 19th is gonna be a whole year. That's 365 days, right? And then October 20th, I'm going to announce who's the winner, right? For the people wondering, is Joe keeping track? Is Joe this, and that? Yes, I'm keeping track, right? Even the days when I don't drop a video or I don't drop a message on the community tab, I'm keeping track, right? So it's up to you. I see a lot of people that have not been posting their links, have not been putting their hashtag CodingPhase, hashtag 365 CodingPhase challenge. I see you guys. You guys are not putting it, right? You're actually missing out on days because of that. Okay, so what I do, right? I go through Twitter, right? The days that I don't post a video, I don't post a message on the community tab or whatever, I go through Twitter, I go through Instagram, you know, and I do the hashtags. I search through the hashtags and I see the most latest ones, right? If I don't see that you guys didn't post anything, you're not getting credit, right? So, I mean, in reality, it's not about getting credit, right? This is for you, right? But somebody's gonna win this, okay? Somebody's gonna win this, and there's a lot of people that have been doing all 100 days. And even if you haven't done 100 days, you're still following along. Anybody who does 300 days plus, you have a chance to win. Okay, that's just the truth. Anybody that does 300 days plus, you have a chance to win. Okay, so don't give up. Right now, if you're just starting now, you're like, man, it's too late. It is too late, right? Who cares? But now you're doing it for yourself. Now, in October 19th, we're gonna continue it for the next year, October 19th, 2020. So if you want to continue doing it and you want to say, Joe, I'm gonna come back no matter what for the next one, I want to win it next year, that's fine. You can win it next year, right? But even if you are starting now, or bro, right? Start. It doesn't matter, man. Just do it for yourself to get in that motion. Start building applications. Do your thing. Get your money. Get your bag. You know, get your job. Do what you got to do out here. Do it for yourself. Do it for your family, right? It's a great career. I can guarantee you that it literally changed my life, bro. Like, I wouldn't be here. I have a big ass office. I used to work in offices like this and be like, yo, I'm working for somebody. Now I work for myself, right? I don't even have nobody here. I do it on my own, right? So it's like I keep the extra cash, right? So it's like, it's great, right? And at the same time, I had clients, I went to companies, I worked for everybody, this and that. Like, it changed my life so much, man. Like, I'm not gonna go into it, but it's just like, it did a 365, man. And I'm actually I'm moving to a new crib, and I was like, man, I got this big ass house, and it's like, I would have never been able to get a house like that. You know what I mean? It's just, take advantage, man. Take advantage for real, because this thing can really change your life, and you'll be surprised, right? It's no longer for just a few people, right? Like, you know how this is the biggest problem right now in America, right? The biggest problem is that everybody is struggling, right? And very few people are actually getting money out of the things that are being successful, right? if you're in finance, if you are in tech, right? If you are in healthcare, those people, they live pretty good, right? We live pretty good compared to everybody else, okay? So now it's no longer about only certain people can go and work at this type of jobs. It's like, nah, bro, like this is an opportunity to get into the tech industry and change your whole life around, bro. Like, take advantage. That's what I could say, right? Now, like I always tell you guys, if you want to learn how to code, you want to come in and learn from your boy, right? I'm not I'm not the master of everything, right? I just know what I know. I do what I do. Okay, if you want to learn how to code and you want to learn in a fun way and a very straight to the point way without, wasting your time, I'll make sure that you do that, right? I'll make sure that you learn. So come to CodingPhase.com, man. Come give it a chance, right? Subscribe. If you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, you cancel it. That's it, all right? It is what it is, man. Anyways, it's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. I'm here to support you guys and I'm here to motivate you guys to get you to the next level. I'll see you guys later. Peace.